In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Revolut Business subscription. We'll walk through the exact places to click on both web and mobile, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can confidently end your paid plan without surprises. First, open Revolut Business. If you're on the web app, look to the top right corner and click the small cog icon to open settings. On mobile, start by tapping your profile icon in the top left corner. Both routes take you to the same place, so choose whichever device you're using right now. Next, go to Billing. This is where Revolut stores all subscription details, invoices, and plan controls. Think of it as your command center for payments and plan changes. Inside Billing, select Change Plan. This is the built-in flow Revolut uses to manage upgrades, downgrades, and cancellations. You'll see the available plans laid out, including any lower tiers. If your goal is to stop paying for a premium plan, choose the free plan or the lowest available tier. That selection effectively cancels your paid subscription going forward while keeping your account active. You'll then be asked to choose between annual or monthly payment options. This choice matters if you're moving between paid tiers. Monthly is more flexible, while annual typically offers a better rate for ongoing use. As you review, you may see a short summary of costs or credits that explains how the change will be applied to your account. Next, decide when the new plan should take effect. You can start your plan instantly, which applies the change right away, or you can schedule it for the end of your current billing cycle. Starting instantly is best if you want immediate cost changes, but it can also reduce access to features right away if you're downgrading. Scheduling the change lets you use the features you've already paid for until your current period ends, then automatically moves you to the new plan. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the plan details so you understand any feature or usage limits that may change after the switch. This avoids surprises, especially if you rely on specific tools, higher limits, or team seats. Finally, keep in mind there's no limit to how often you can change your plan. If you change your mind or need to adjust again, simply return to billing and repeat the same process. That's it. By going to Settings, opening Billing, selecting Change Plan, choosing the plan and payment cadence, and deciding when to apply it, you've successfully canceled your Revolut Business paid subscription and set your account exactly where you want it.